Hello friends. Now today we'll learn how to install a fresh SCCM client setup on client machine. Okay, so we'll check. Now this is the client machine. Let me check. It is already installed or not. It is installed already. Okay, we'll uninstall it and then we'll reinstall it. How to uninstall? Sometime setup is not properly installed, so we have to reinstall the software. Okay. Okay, we'll uninstall this software. You just copy the path. Run as administrator. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we'll wait for some time. So it will uninstall. Okay. You see this folder CCM system setup. Okay. CCM cache, I think it's now uninstalled, removed. Okay, we'll wait for some time. Meanwhile, we'll check where's the path of this client software. Okay, by default, the path where you have to copy from the client from the server machine. Okay, where's the path? I will tell you. See program files. There's a folder Microsoft Configuration Manager, and then you will find client. Okay, just open. Yeah, this is a software. Okay, just copy the full path. Copy this folder and paste into your shared drive, whatever you have. I created one folder. Okay, I create temp folder and where I put the software. You can install directly through network as well, but you can also copy from your local machine so that it will be easy to install. Maybe some network issue. Okay, sometime network issue, so it's better to copy in your local machine. Okay, I'm just checking that. Yeah, this is already shared. Just like you have to copy on your shared drive, whatever you provide permission to all users, just put the folder into that shared drive. Okay, I have copied. We'll check. CCM, any process is running, CCM setup. I think on the client machine it's I think complete. Okay, we'll see. C drive, Windows, CCM setup, okay, CCM. Okay, system setup. Okay, logs. Yeah. Okay, let me check. We'll get return code as well. Okay. Let me copy first. Yeah, it's already copied. Okay. Okay, now I'm in the on the client machine. Windows, CCM, system setup. Okay, let me remove everything. Okay. C drive, Windows. No, see, nothing is there. Okay, whatever folder is there, C, CCM, system cache, system setup. Okay, everything is removed now. Okay. Okay, we'll access this. My shared drive where I copied the software. Okay. Yeah, this is a client software. Just copy. I put into my local drive. Like temp folder. I put it here. Okay. I have copied into my local machine. I will tell you the exit path how to install this. There is a command ccmsetup.exe and MP management point, SCCM server name, SMSMP point is forcefully it will detect this our management point, and site code which you have. Okay, where you checked in your SCCM server in administration in the site you will get server name as well or site code. Okay, this command you have to run on your client machine. It will directly detect SCCM server and install the software. Okay, I have copied because my SCCM server name cm1 corp.contoso.com and site code is chq. I have copied and I am going to client machine. Okay, I'm going the exact path where I put the software. Okay, if you check just dir ccmsetup.exe is there. Okay. Okay, yeah, I think it's not copied. Give me a second. I think let me copy in the notepad. We'll try to run. Maybe some copy, I think not working. Okay, let me ccmsetup.exe mp cm1.contoso.com SMSMP cm1 dot corp.contoso.com SMS site code CHQ. Just run. Yeah, CCM setup. Okay, the process is running. Okay, we'll wait for some time. Yeah, configuration was reflecting, but not completely sync. So we have to wait. Some option now appear. If let me check the process. Is it still running? Yeah, still running. System setup. Still blank. Okay, we'll wait for some time. In the previous video, I tell you that once it's installed, okay, once installed, we'll see the log file. Okay, we'll wait for some time. Yeah, mostly now this process is complete. Okay, we'll see now. See Windows CCM setup. Okay, CCM cache, CCM setup is there, and CCM setup logs, CCM setup. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, CCM setup is existing return code 0. Okay, 616. Okay, now it's complete. The setup is properly, this client setup is properly installed. Now we'll check in control panel to validate. Sometimes it will take time to sync with the SM server, but we'll check. Configuration. Okay, CCM1 server name, SCCM server name, component, action. Yeah, we'll get all the component, means all the action item which we need to do in further video. All setup is, all configuration is complete. Yeah. Okay, this is a way to uninstall and install the client SSM client software. Thank you very much. Thank you दोस्तों.